So today I'm going to be talking to you about the Ultra Soak electric spin brush.
Ultra Soak electric cleaning brush set comes with 4 kinds of brush heads: the dome brush head, the flat brush head, and the corner brush head. The scrubber kit also comes with 3 scouring pads and the scouring pad connector, which connects with Velcro. Brush head assembly is super simple. All you do is click it on to the assembly head. Using the electric spin brush makes cleaning so much more fun. Say goodbye to traditional cleaning tools, the new household cleaning tool that can change your busy life. Care for your hands, shoulders, and joints. It's great for the elderly who have joint problems and can save time and effort. The scouring pads easily cleaned the stubborn stains in my kitchen sink. Internal motor drives the spin scrubber head to rotate at high speed up to 350 RPMs, and when used with a detergent, it can quickly clean stubborn stains and make the whole room look new. The brush set is not violent and has just enough power to clean a bathroom or kitchen area. Do not use force to press down. The efficiency of the brush heads will be different. Since it uses a spin cleaning method, be careful with your eyes when using detergent. The Ultra Soak Hurricane Spin Scrubber can be used for 90 minutes after only 3.5 hours of fast charging. The electric bathroom scrubber gets rid of the long wires, and you can use it to clean any corner of the room conveniently.
Say goodbye to those old tedious cleaning methods and bring new joy to your cleaning with this electric spin brush.